Okay guys, this is JR Murillo and you're watching my video diary part 4, and I evacuated myself here in De La Costa, Barangka Marikina City. Yes, time check is 3 p.m. and you're about to see this one is heavy floods caused by heavy rains. Our weather forecast said that the cause of this rain is from Habagat or southwest monsoon with approximately 200 millimeter rainfall. You can see the tricycle over there. This is a higher place that you can see. At the top of it, that's the Ateneo de Manila University and some seminary, Ateneo Seminary. That's it. And in front of me is the Chirillo, and as you can see, the flood is still going and going and going because of this heavy rains. Fuck that. Okay, I'm going there. There's a Chirillo residence here. Over there is still. Okay, this is JR Murillo. I'm out. Thank you for watching my video diary. Let's pray to stop this monsoon rain until tomorrow. Goodbye.